Hey, knowledge lovers! Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting fields in tech, Android development. Whether you're an aspiring app developer or a seasoned coder looking to expand your mobile development skills, Android is one of the most in-demand platforms out there. And the best part? I've handpicked some of the best Android development courses, all of which come with certifications, are completely online, and can be done from anywhere in the world. The links to access the courses will be in the video description, so make sure to check them out. 1. Android Developer, Meta. If you're looking to build a career in Android development, this is the course for you. It covers everything from the basics of Android programming to advanced concepts, helping you develop fully functional apps from scratch. You'll work with Java and Kotlin, the two most popular programming languages for Android, and dive into building UI components, managing databases, and integrating APIs. What sets this course apart is its focus on industry-relevant skills. You'll not only learn how to code, but also how to think like a professional Android developer. By the end of the course, you'll be ready to take on real-world projects, and with a certification from Meta, your resume will stand out to potential employers. 2. Android App Development. Vanderbilt University. This course is perfect for beginners who want to learn how to build Android apps step by step. It focuses on the fundamentals, teaching you how to design user interfaces, handle data storage, and use Android-specific libraries to create dynamic apps. The course also covers debugging and testing, ensuring that your apps run smoothly on different devices. What's great about this course is that it's very hands-on. You'll work on a series of app development projects throughout the course, giving you the opportunity to apply what you've learned immediately. By the end, you'll have a portfolio of Android apps that demonstrate your ability to build functional and polished applications. I pause here to mention that if you want to take all these courses, you don't need to pay for them one by one. Just by purchasing the Coursera Plus subscription, you will have access to all these courses and more than 7,000. We will leave you the link in the video description at the best price. Let's continue. 3. Advanced App Development in Android, Imperial College London. This course dives into more complex topics, such as app architecture, performance optimization, and working with advanced Android libraries. It's designed to help you take your Android skills to the next level, covering concepts like background services, advanced UI components, and security best practices. By the end of this course, you'll be able to develop more sophisticated and efficient Android apps, making you a sought-after developer in the field. This is a great course if you're looking to master advanced Android techniques and build more powerful and scalable applications. 4. React Native, Meta. While this course isn't strictly focused on native Android development, it's an invaluable tool if you want to expand your app development skills. React Native allows you to build mobile apps for both Android and iOS using a single codebase, which means you can create cross-platform apps faster and more efficiently. In this course, you'll learn how to use React Native to design, build, and deploy apps that work on both Android and iOS devices. This is especially useful if you want to develop apps for a broader audience. By the end of the course, you'll have the skills to build cross-platform apps that look and perform great on any device, making you even more versatile as a developer. Remember, all of these courses can be taken without having to pay for each one individually. How? By acquiring the Coursera Plus subscription, which gives you access to over 7,000 courses by only paying a monthly or annual fee. It's an incredible deal, especially if you're serious about mastering Android development and exploring other tech fields. The link with the best price will be in the video description, so don't miss out. So, there you have it, 4 fantastic courses that will help you become a master of Android development. Whether you're just starting out, ready to take on advanced challenges, or want to learn cross-platform development with React Native, these courses have you covered. Until next time, knowledge lovers.